Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Google Sheets file in Google Sheets mobile app. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Sheets application on our phone. Then we have to select a file we want to download. And for example, I'm going to select this file, so we can tap on this three dots button on the file. Then there will be several options for us, and we have to scroll down until we find the download option. Okay, we can tap on this download option over here, and right after we tap on download, the file will be automatically downloaded. As you can see, now the file is being downloaded. And alright guys, that's how we can download Google Sheets file on Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.